There you go. Keep turning the handle.
Keep turning.
This is the fun part. You smile. There you go. You ever caught a barracuda before?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Oh,
there you go. Yeah, that one's a little one.
Oh, we got it.
All right, that's okay. It was a little one. Another barracuda.
On the circle hook.
Yeah, circle hook. Right in the jaw. Good job. 2. Another bass. Look at all those bass down there. Good job. Hold them up, let's see them. Nice bass.
Are you guys dancing or what?
Another big bass.
Hold the line.
Your first calico bass. Congratulations. Second fish ever. There you go. Don't give up on it. He knows all the ways to get away. You guys never smile. What is the problem here? George, you gotta teach your kids how to smile.
Yeah. No, this is the one you don't want to smile.
It's a nicer fish here. Let's see what it is. I think it might be a big sand bass. Okay, you're gonna need a net. You're gonna need a net. Net. Don't stop, don't stop. There it is right there.
Ooh, that one's a big one. What is that?
Big sand bass.
What?
Sand bass.
They're here.
This is what you guys are letting go. You want to hold them? See it? Nice big sand bass. Congratulations. Normally my customers would be smiling right now. There you go. That looks like a smile. Nice big sand bass. Going.
Oh, we got a barracuda.
Short barracuda there. What does George got? One short barracuda there. Travis is on. George is on. What do you got, George? Bass?
I think it's small.
Yeah, it's a little short.
I got a barracuda.
Here, come over. Look up. There you go.
That one's big.
Yeah, that one's probably legal.
Yes.
I thought it has to be open.
How do you feel, Travis? See what happens with 5 seconds? Travis, see what happens when you wait 5 seconds? You get a fish.
Alright. I did leave it in the water.
You did, that's alright.
Yeah.
Another barracuda.
Yeah, it's small though.
George has a little one. It's on a jig, Travis. See what you got.
A barracuda.
Barracuda. Magic Metal Light. Yeah, there's the other one behind it.
Do I need the thing?
No, you don't need it then. Okay. Here's a little short. Oh no, he might be legal. Bring him up toward me. No, don't lift it. Just bring the rod tip to me. Just bring the rod tip to me. Nice barracuda. There you go, good job. It's a barracuda kind of morning.
You have a I could look over stealing it.
I have some.
You see him, Chuck? Big barracuda. That is a big barracuda, guys. Good job.
Beating me.
Oh, big ones. 10 feet made a difference. Look at these.
Oh.
Big ones. Good way to finish off the day here. Limitless sculpin. How you like this bottom fishing?
That was fun. I like it. It's easy.
Yeah. It's more like harvesting, not catching.
Yeah.